baseball. I didn't even hear what she said about carry and all that stuff.
Right.
And I remember walking up to the board, I was so nervous, thinking, I don't know what to do, I don't know where to start. And for some reason, my brain said, hey, I learned how to read left to right, so I must have to do my math left to right. So I looked at this and I said, all right, that's a 10, that's a 10, that's a 10, that's a 10. And I just started keeping a running total in my head. So Ben, help me out. What's 10 and 10?
Don't mess with me, please.
You can do it.
20.
Plus 10.
30.
Plus 10.
40.
Now that's called estimation. You already know the answer is over 40.
Right.
You don't teach that much. But now 40, add 7. What's 40 plus 7?
47.
2 more.
9.
Plus 1.
53.
That's the answer.
Let me tell you something.
53,
That's so interesting because I am the worst math of all time, but I've gotten to a point where I do math is you do it by tens, and it does make it easier.
And this not only teaches kids how to add it quickly, here's the best part. Estimation, number sense, and place value are all taught in this one simple exercise. So you've never tried that before, Ben. Now let's just do this one out loud together. 20,
23,
40,
60, 70,
70,
76, 79, 80, 88. Gee.
So,
but you are like ultra fast, though. Like that was pretty decent.
well, imagine if you would have learned that in 3rd grade.
Yeah.
That enthusiasm is contagious, and it
That's
goes in the
great.
classroom and other classrooms. So that's my mission, is
That is so
break that. But I've come up with a very simple exercise that I believe will revolutionize the relationship that kids have with numbers and adults.
Yeah.
And I'd love to share it with you. It's a simple process. It's even easier than what you just did. Is that fair?
Yeah.
So here's what happened. Look at your calculator. Let the audience see it for a second. There's 10 digits on there, but there's no 10. But it's really 0 through 9. And so 9 is the biggest number. The secret to numbers is every number higher than 9 adds down to 9. I'm going to show you real quick.
I'm currently doing baseball with your friend right now.
Yes.
Every what equals?
Every number goes back to 9. And so watch how crazy this is. Just write down a number higher than 9. Let's do 11. All right? Here's the exercise. This is for any kid, any age, to teach them their math facts without memorizing them. Look at the. Here's the first step: is just add up all those numbers. What's 1 plus 1? 2. Put the total of the digits underneath, and then subtract. What's 11 minus 2? 9. Every number in the universe goes back to 9. Try it with 10. 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Put the total underneath and subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. Try it with 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 12 minus 3.
Wow.
9. So I challenge everybody watching right now, and you guys too, in the audience as well. Everybody think of your age. Add those 2 digits together. And now take that total and subtract it from your age. And think about the answer you got. It should be a 2-digit number that adds up to 9. Did it work for you?
Oh my God, you're right.
It does. It works for every number.
That's crazy.
So my mission is I'm launching the National Counting Bee. And it's to celebrate the fastest mathletes in every classroom and school and state and country.
That's
so
wonderful.
there's so many parents and people out there that are just disconnected from numbers at an early age. And I really think this simple exercise of everything going back to 9 will help them tune back into that.
Definitely, and not be so discouraged.
Yes.
When they see the numbers. That's
God, you're awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Please come back and see us again. That was really fun. Really cool.